欢迎来到新学特派员，我是 Mark。那随着 AI 的技术演进，其实现在也会有推陈出新很多各式各样的 AI 课程，所以我们新学在咨询学生的时候，学生也会对这些五花八门的 AI 硕士课程就是想更多了解。那所以我们今天就实地来采访 NTU， 针对于现在他们推出最新的 AI program 叫 Enterprise AI， 我们特别有邀请到我们 Program Director 张教授来为我们就是分享一下这个 program 的课程。
大家好，我是张教授。我今天很高兴可以跟大家一起聊这个企业 AI 的硕士，然后我是这个硕士的负责人，然后很开心可以来到这边跟你一起聊这些细节。
Okay, so Professor, do you want to do a little bit self-introduction?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so I actually am a student in NTU for many years. I did my bachelor's in NTU MAE, Mechanical Engineering. And then afterwards, I actually graduated and worked for a few years in corporate. Then I actually moved back to NTU to continue my PhD studies and graduated in 2023, where I joined DBS Bank as a data scientist. So I did training of AI models and data science. Yeah, and then in 2024, I actually returned to NTU to become a lecturer.
Okay, so let's talk about the new AI program. Can you tell me more about the purpose of designing this program?
The MSc AI is a new program in NTU, so it's jointly offered Nanyang Business School and College of Computing and Data Science. So our vision for this program is to really train enterprise leaders who are skilled in AI. Currently, there is a gap in the market whereby there is not enough business leaders who are actually very fluent in AI and they are able to translate this AI technical details into economic value. We are very keen to introduce this MSc AI to train up business leaders who can actually deliver this value in the corporate world and showcase the power of AI to really create economic value.
So what types of real business problems is this enterprise AI designed to solve?
We see that there's an increasing need in the corporate environment for business leaders who know AI and they are able to drive and spearhead AI business projects. So for example, I actually worked in DBS Bank before, and there is an increasing need for this job type called data translators.
Okay.
And these data translators, the main role is not to be technical experts, but they connect stakeholders together, they bridge different teams and drive the AI project forwards. And this is a very needful skill right now in the corporate world. We aim to train such business leaders who can excel in creating value from AI.
Yeah, especially like very tech-oriented country like Singapore.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so now AI is in our everyday life, especially like academic. So what's your view on students using AI for their assignments, exams, presentations?
Yeah, that's a very good question. The university actually has a few policies on these. So for some assignments, we strictly forbid students from using AI. But for other assignments, we actually encourage the use of AI. And this is because we view AI not as enemy, adversary, but rather a tool or something for you to use to amplify your competencies, your skills. So we actually, for most courses, we actually encourage students to adapt AI into their friend, their partner, and use AI to actually complete assignments and use AI to actually amplify and enhance their abilities.
But what about like the side effect of students using AI too much?
The opposite of artificial intelligence is natural stupidity. Okay, so there is a real risk of students actually using AI, and that actually reduces their ability to perform critical thinking.
Yeah,
and,
true.
Yeah, so there's a real risk of AI doing that. Of course, we want to educate our students to actually use AI as a tool, but not let AI control them. Right? So if you use AI responsibly and in a certain way that actually enhances your skills, you will actually be the wielder of the tool, which is AI. This is what we encourage, that AI is actually here to enhance your ability, your skills, rather than trying to replace your thinking process.
So what kind of student do you think will be more suitable for this program?
We actually welcome students from various different disciplines because AI is no longer just a computer science field, it's interdisciplinary in nature. Right? So we welcome students from engineering, from the arts, from even music and other various courses. As long as you have an interest to learn AI and use AI to create an impact in the business world, we will welcome you.
So what about like the student without AI background? If there's one thing you suggest them to prepare before this program, what will it be?
Yeah, so for students without the AI background, we actually don't require any prerequisite AI knowledge for MSc AI. But rather, I will advise you to prepare by reading up more on AI, taking a few online courses. And don't worry about it if you can't really get the technical details. That's not the focus of our program, but we want you to be able to understand AI on an intricate level and use that to actually enhance your skills as a business leader.
So there are many AI master programs available right now. So what makes this enterprise AI unique?
So this MSc AI, we're actually focusing on not just AI technologies that are already mature and they're creating an impact in the corporate world, but we are also going to dive deep into emerging AI technologies such as multimodal, agentic, and generative AI. So these AI technologies with a lot of potential, and once you've mastered them, I believe that you will be a very major force in the business world. And also, we have engaged a lot of industry lecturers from tech companies and banks, for example, Meta and DBS Bank, and they will be also teaching this course and adding their wealth of experience from the working experience into this course. And I think that will benefit our students very much.
For sure. So when this new batch of new graduates enter the job market next year, what kind of role do you expect them to be positioned in within their organizations?
There's a diverse range of job roles that you can look forward to when you graduate. So on top of training AI models, doing SQL queries and managing databases, you will also be expected to lead AI projects. So you become the spear tip of the AI project, and you gather and motivate your teammates to actually drive this project forward and create a lot of value out of this project. So not just data scientists, not just project managers, but also governance officers, AI safety officers. The range is very diverse.
听完张教授的访谈，其实我自己都想要来就是你们课程上课了，也希望就是未来有就是更多的台湾学生或我们新学的学生可以进入到 NTU 这些非常优质的 AI 课程。好，那我是新学特派员，下次见。
欢迎你们来南大授课哦。
好，大家好，我是新学特派员 Mark。那现在随着就是 AI 像是 Gemini， 然后 ChatGPT 等等的推出，我们现在已经正式进入到 AI 的时代了。那我们现在人也在 NUS-ISS 学院，很开心可以访问到我们教授，然后还有学生来分享了他对目前现在 AI 课程，然后以及 AI 等等技术的经验谈。那我们今天首先先欢迎就是我们的 Professor Xavier， 就是 Professor X 教授。Do you want to do a little bit introduction?
Hello everyone, my name is Xavier. I'm currently the GC manager for Intelligent Robotics Systems. So I teach mostly robotic courses, for example, autonomous vehicle and robotics, system engineering, and human-robot collaborations. Okay, so besides robotics, right, I also teaching some of the AI courses, for example, machine reasonings and Gen AI courses. Yeah.
Okay. So, Professor, what makes your program unique? Because we know there's a lot of AI program out there.
I think in the market right now, right, there's a lot of different AI programs. But what differentiates from NUS-ISS, right, is we are actually practice-based educations. So beside all the course module, right, we actually provide students the opportunity to apply what they learn to a practice projects, and also they have the chance to do full-time internships throughout the master courses. I think that is what actually differentiates from the rest of the programs. So here in NUS-ISS, we actually don't teach the outdated, the cliches.
Yeah.
So in NUS-ISS, right, we actually update our courses regularly. Yeah, so we'll do a major revamp every year or every semester to keep up with the trend of AI development.
好，那我们刚好也访问到台湾的学生，现在正在这个系所念。那 Casey 要不要跟大家打声招呼？你现在在念什么科系呢
？Hello， 大家好，我是 Kathy。那我目前就读的是 MTech AI System 的 program。
那你之前大学主修是什么？
我之前是成大台湾文学系毕业的。
这是非常非常就是特别的，就是一个 mix. So, Professor, I want to ask you. So, what kind of student background are you looking for this course?
We have a student from different backgrounds. So just now we see Casey, right? Actually, she's from a literary background in bachelor's. Yeah. So we also have a student bachelor in computer science. We also have student bachelor in mechanical engineering and also electronic engineering. So actually, we have a mix of backgrounds.
好，那 Casey， 你能不能跟我们分享一下你现在最喜欢的一堂课？
我蛮喜欢上学期一堂叫 Machine Reasoning 的课，那其中有几堂是由 由 Xavier 教授带我们的课程。那这一堂课主要是以教 Machine Learning 为主，那其中有一门是带我们学 RAG， 它是 Retrieval Augmentation Generation， 那它是以串接 Large Language Model 的方式，然后串接一些 Vector Database， 然后跟时下一些 LM 去做集合，我觉得是做中去学，然后去学时代比较 trendy 的东西。
So I also want to ask Professor X, what kind of career aspiration for a student after graduation?
I think different students might choose different career paths. So some students, they actually want to do a PhD after master degree. They'll do a lot of research during their masters, then they can apply PhD during their master degrees. But some students, they actually want to go for industries. So they will join the big tech companies or startups, in Singapore or even overseas. So I think it depends on what the career goal the student has set on themselves.
那 Casey 你毕业之后，你有什么样的职业打算？
毕竟目前你就已经是读 AI System 这个专业，所以加上之前有在台湾做过 AI Engineering 相关的实习，所以未来还是会以 Gen AI Engineer 之类的方向去找。对。
So right now I know like people use AI in everything, including academic, professional stuff. So what kind of perspective do you have on this?
We don't limit the student to use the AI, for example, the ChatGPT or Gemini to help them with assignments. But you must declare when you use these kind of Gen AI tools, because I believe AI tools is like the internet. We should not forbidden the student to use these kind of tools. We should actually encourage, because we are doing an AI master degree, we should matter of fact encourage students to use these kind of tools. But you must declare whether AI contribute how much to these kind of assignments.
那 Casey 对 AI 的想法是什么？
我自己觉得在这个潮流下，就是善用 AI 是蛮重要，因为像是不管像教授刚才说到的写扣或是协助做作业之类的，难免大家都会用 AI 去帮助你去思考一些头绪。那我觉得就是除了可以把它当做一个工具外，还是要有人的角度去思考，而不是完全相信 AI， 因为毕竟它是有 hallucination 的。
那 Casey 我想问一下，你是什么原因会想要就是从像成大文学，然后转到 NUS 来念 AI 这个科系？
其实我在大学就蛮跨领域在学一些东西，像我大三大四是做资料分析社的，然后后来有机会在大四做 AI Engineering 这一块。那就我觉得你不需要去限制自己，既然你就是有这个机会，那为什么不要试试看去申请？然后刚好有这个机会跨领域了，那就试着踏出这一步，然后去看看不同的世界是长什么样子。
好，那也谢谢两位的时间，我们就赶快放两位回去上课了。谢谢 ，Thanks for your time。